Hi friends, here's some transportation puzzles. You can cut them out or having a friend help you cut them out or another adult help you cut them out. You're going to cut out the rectangle shape and then cut down the middle line. You're going to mix them all up. There's two sheets of these, and then you're going to put them back together. Which one goes with which vehicle? There's cars, planes, trucks, trains. Have fun with this. Then we have this other game. There's 3 sheets of these. Oh, silly me. There is something called land, air, and water. So what you're going to do with this is you have some pieces for this also that need to be cut out. So you're going to look and see what transportation goes on the land, what flies in the air, and what goes in the water. For example, a bus. That would go on the land because you wouldn't see it flying in the air or in the water. A helicopter you would see flying where? And how about a canoe, a boat? So you can just put those on there and have lots of fun with it. So, okay, friends, enjoy playing these 2 games. Bye.